मारूफ उठो अब तुम हालात बदल डालो, आ जाओ रुकावट तो इतिहास बदल डालो।
नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम, अम्मा बाद, फ़क़द क़ाल अल्लाहु तआला फ़िल क़ुरआनिल करीम, अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। इन्न फ़ी ख़ल्क़िस समावाति वल अर्ज़ि वख्तिलाफ़ि अलसिनतिकुम व अलवानिकुम इन्न फ़ी ज़ालिका लआयातिन लिल आलमीन। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। Honorable President of the program, respected teacher and dear audience, I feel proud to stand before dignitaries like you with intention to speak some words on the topic of why English is important for us. Dear fellows, language is our primary source of communication. It's the method through which we share our ideas and thoughts with others. Some people even say that language is what separates us from animals and makes us human. Dear friends, English is one of the most important global languages spoken across the world. Most of international transactions of the recent age are conducted in this tongue. The language has contributed significantly in narrowing the gap between geographical boundaries. People with knowledge of English feel proud in the society. They leave a great impact on the people of their circles. Their works are done in any offices, innovate. Such people command respect, honor and majesty everywhere. They are considered to be sophisticated among modern people. This is all thanks to the influence of English language. This language has established its role in every field of advancement, be it technological, scientific or any other field. It has left an indelible imprint upon it. Dear friends, English has quite a big role in day-to-day life. It is used in banks, railway stations, bus depots, airports, educational sector, medical and private sector, etc. English is a trade language with other countries. Many students fly abroad for education and jobs. If their mode of communication is English, they can manage their communication with the local people. And students are prime learners of English because if they want to build up a good career, they have to attain good English speaking skills and confidence to face many people in interview. Without English, it is very tough to manage in this ultra-modern world. Here I would like to enumerate a few Asian countries where English is spoken in considerable percentage. In India, 12.18% population speaks English. Pakistan, 49%. Nepal, 46.49%. Sri Lanka, 47%. Malaysia, 62.57%. Bangladesh, 18%. Thailand, 27.16%. Turkey, 17%. Japan ranks 26th out of 60 countries in global English proficiency. This is the case of some developing Asian countries, not to speak of the European and American countries where English is their native language. Dear brethren, this is the age of science and technology, and the world is changing at a terrific speed. This is all due to the scientific and technological research. We can advance only through knowledge of these subjects. Major technological, scientific advancements have been written in this language. Ultimately, we have to depend upon English to produce first-rate scientists and technicians. English must be taught to our people because good and useful books on these subjects are available in this language only. Dear friends, if you talk of higher studies, here also we can feel the need of English. Many a young person goes to foreign countries for advanced studies. They need good knowledge of English, as it is the medium of teaching over there. Its importance for such scholars is indeed very great. And when it comes to preaching mission, its importance grows more and more for Muslim preachers to globalize the universal message of Islam and generalize its sound teachings, because this language has become lingua franca of the contemporary world. Here I wind up my speech. That's all. Thank you so much. Thank you.